If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Art History Brush tool in Photoshop works much like the History brush in that it paints pixels from a history state or snapshot in the History panel onto the current image file in Photoshop, but it also does this while simulating the brush strokes of a fine art painting. To select the Art History Brush tool in Photoshop, click it to select it from the Tools panel. It shares a button within the Tools panel with the History Brush tool. Also, ensure you show the History panel on screen so you can use it to select the image data from the previous history state to paint. To show the History panel in Photoshop if needed, select Window, History from the menu bar. To set the options for the Art History Brush tool in Photoshop after selecting it, look within the Options bar control panel. To set the Art History Brush tool's size, hardness, roundness, and angle, click the Click to open the Brush Preset Picker button, and then use the Size and Hardness sliders and the small circles and arrow on the brush tip icon at the left side of the Brush Picker panel to set the desired settings. Then click the button again to collapse the panel. Next, set the desired blending mode and opacity using the Mode and Opacity drop-downs and buttons in the Options bar control panel. The settings that follow the next dividing line in the Options bar are the settings specific to the Art History Brush tool in Photoshop. To select the painting brushstroke style to apply with the Art History Brush tool, select a choice from the Style drop-down in the Options bar control panel. To set the area covered by the selected style of brushstroke, enter a value into the Area field. Larger values cover more area and produce more strokes. To determine the color tolerance of pixels to change, click the Tolerance drop-down in the Options bar control panel, and then adjust the slider that appears, or enter a percentage value directly into the tolerance field. Lower tolerance percentages let you apply strokes almost anywhere in the image. Higher tolerance percentages apply the strokes only to colors that differ greatly from the pixels in the selected history state or snapshot. Then set the angle and pressure settings for the Art History Brush tool using the last two options at the right end of the Options bar control panel if needed, just as when using the brush tool. Next, click to the left of the history state or snapshot to use as the basis for the pixels to paint using the Art History Brush tool within the History panel. Even though you are using the Art History Brush tool, you should still see an icon for the History Brush tool appear to the left of the selected history state or snapshot in the History panel. That shows the history state or snapshot is the selected source. After choosing your Art History Brush tool settings, then just click and drag in the image to apply the selected type of brushstrokes from the selected history source or snapshot onto the image file in the selected layer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.